Meditation for Beginners, a step-by-step guide. Are you ready to embark on a journey of self-discovery, inner peace, and improved well-being? Welcome to Meditation for Beginners, a step-by-step guide. In this comprehensive video, we'll take you on a transformative journey into the world of meditation. Whether you're looking to reduce stress, increase mindfulness, or simply find a moment of tranquility in your busy life, this guide is tailored just for you. Benefits of meditation. Before we dive into the techniques, let's explore the incredible benefits of meditation. From reducing stress and anxiety to enhancing focus and boosting emotional well-being, meditation offers a wide range of advantages. It's a powerful tool for anyone seeking a more balanced and harmonious life. Different meditation techniques. We understand that starting meditation can be overwhelming, especially if you're new to the practice. That's why we've broken it down into simple, manageable steps. In this video, we'll introduce you to various meditation techniques, including mindfulness meditation. Learn to be fully present in the moment, observing your thoughts without judgment. Breathing meditation. Discover the art of conscious breathing to calm your mind and body. Guided visualization. Take a mental journey to your ideal serene place and tap into the power of visualization. Body scan meditation. Connect with your body, release tension, and promote physical relaxation. Loving kindness meditation. Cultivate compassion and love, not only for yourself but for all beings. Step-by-step guidance. Our step-by-step approach ensures that you can follow along easily, no matter your experience level. We'll explain each technique in detail and provide practical tips to help you get the most out of your meditation practice. Guided meditation. To get you started on your meditation journey, we'll conclude this video with a short guided meditation session. Find a comfortable, quiet space, and let us gently lead you into a state of deep relaxation and mindfulness. Conclusion. Meditation is a life-changing practice that can bring peace and balance to your daily life. Join us on this journey, and together, let's unlock the immense benefits of meditation. Whether you have 5 minutes or an hour, you can begin your meditation practice today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, so you never miss an update on your mindfulness journey. Share this video with friends and family who might also benefit from the profound effects of meditation. Let's create a community of inner peace and well-being together. Are you ready to transform your life? Let's begin our meditation journey right now. Click play, and let's dive into the world of inner peace and self-discovery.